Come with us to get the heck out of this house and go explore outside. We're going to Bridal Veil Falls in Provo Canyon, I think it is. We've never been and I've always wanted to go. So let's go check out the waterfall and see what it's like. It's supposed to be kid friendly. Is that cold, Easton? Oh, too cold. Say hi. Made it up the last little leg to the second photo op. I would not recommend this one with kids. I had to leave something down there with Axel. Obviously the older kids are fine, but if you're trying to carry babies, no. Not quite back in hiking shape yet. Better get on that because it's hiking season soon.